If you've been on a health regime, trying to lose weight, maybe cut back on your fat, doing lean meats, you're probably eating a lot of chicken. Chicken and broccoli, chicken on salad, chicken and everything, and it can get kind of boring. Well, I've got an alternative for you and a really quick, easy recipe. Hi, Robyn here with Lean, Healthy, Ageless and one of the co-authors of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet book. Well, instead of chicken, I'm going to give you a really simple recipe to make turkey that's juicy and super flavorful. You can serve this over cauliflower mash. You could serve it on salads if you want. It's excellent if you want to make like a Parmesan out of it with some red sauce, or maybe serve it with a mushroom sauce. That can, still keep the calories back, but have a lot of flavor in it. And the best thing about it, it only takes a few main ingredients and you can have it done in a snap. Okay, you want to start by heating your oil over a medium heat, and then you have all your ingredients set up. I used liquid egg whites. You could certainly use a whole egg in your dredging station. Grated Parmesan cheese works really well. And then, of course, I bought the turkey cutlets. Now everything's ready to go. I just start seasoning with salt and pepper and garlic powder. You could add some other seasonings if you choose as well. And then I do both sides of seasoning on the meat first. And then once they're seasoned all the way on both sides, I just dip them in the liquid egg whites. And then I dredge it in the Parmesan cheese to coat it, just like as if you were coating with flour or cornstarch, but you've got this grain-free, low-carb option, and this is going to get really, really crispy. I did cover with a lid for one side of the cooking just to keep it kind of juicy. But once I flipped it over and they were crispy, I did leave the lid off. And depending on the size of the piece, you'll see this piece is not quite ready to turn. Just turn it on the heat, get it a little bit browner. Cooked about 4 minutes on each side, and they were ready to go. Super crispy, super, super flavorful, and again, you can use this in a variety of different ways. If you want some more quick, easy meals that are healthy and going to keep you on track, then make sure you subscribe to our page here and hit the like button and the bell so we notify you anytime we create a new post.